to. Wasn't much, what do? I stand up on my own too. I adore you for that. Let me show you. Dreams, man, they come true. That's what she told me, son. Don't be phony. This world don't own me. This world can't control me. People tryna blind me. Haters all behind me. People just denying me, telling me who I should be. On my road faithfully, heels, man, I'm climbing. Wrong turns, I'm riding. Not looking back, I'm fine. God, I confide. If I rode it, you can ride it. Seems like I'm alone. Everything is going wrong, man. I gotta be strong. Yeah, man, the bills and do no job, no car, and I'm gonna make it far. And I believe in my heart that if I have to restart, that man, everything is worth it. Knowing that I learned this, we all have our purpose.
We made it through the rain, made it through the storm. Never had to change, always stayed the same. This is me, even when they try to take everything from me. This is my story. We made it through the rain, made it through the storm. Never had to change, always stayed the same. This is me, even when they try to take everything from me. This is my story. Come
In
on.
life you learn your lessons, that shit can be depressing. We living in recession, no, I don't have no questions. I know where I'm heading, these struggles make me better. I'm headed for that cheddar, and know that I'm a changed man. Help me out this quicksand, it's good to have a good friend. God, you bless me, and KD, man, I love y'all, bro. Never ever let y'all go, knowing that we is a whole. Tatted on my skin, together until the end. This friendship permanent, and all it took was hard work. Man, I'm coming from the dirt, dog, you just listen here. No need for that fear, no need for them tears. Girl, you gon' make it dear. Everybody life is different, knowing things that I am missing. Everybody has addiction, no one is the same. I made it through the rain, and yes, it took some change, and yes, that took some pain, but